I'm excited to learn more about logical volume management in Linux. What is it exactly?
Logical volume management, LVM, is a powerful tool that allows you to create flexible disk storage in Linux. It provides a layer of abstraction between the physical storage and the file system.
Why is it important to learn about LVM?
LVM allows you to manage disk space more efficiently, making it easier to resize partitions, add or remove disks, and create snapshots. It's a crucial skill for any Linux system administrator.
That makes sense. Can you give me an example of when LVM would be useful?
Sure. Let's say you need to create a separate partition for a different use or expand the size of a low-space partition. In such cases, reducing a large partition and extending a smaller one can be done seamlessly using LVM.
Interesting. Can you walk me through the steps of extending volume groups and resizing logical volumes?
Of course. First, we add a new physical volume, PV, using fdisk. Then, we extend the volume group, VG, by adding the new PV. Finally, we extend the logical volume, LV, by adding physical extents, PE, and resize the file system. It's a bit technical, but it's a powerful tool once you master it.
Thanks for the overview. I can't wait to try it out myself.
That's great to hear. Remember, logical volume management is a powerful tool, and mastering it opens up a world of possibilities. Happy coding!